Hi traders, this is Gomadi Shankar. I'm very happy to meet you all in a new video. So in this video, we are going to talk about a very important topic which is buzzing in social media, that is about stock market brokers issue. Without wasting any time, let's get started. Few months back, Finvasia stockbroker faced a connectivity issue with the exchange. So what happened when the clients are placing the orders, they did not get placed, and for those who place the orders, they are unable to edit the order or modify the order, and for those who have entered the trade, they are unable to exit the trade. So because of this issue, most of the clients who are having account with Finvasia were in a panic, and they were approaching the social media to check whether this issue is happening only for them or is it common for all the clients. So what happened actually was, now let's say you have placed an order from your broker. Now from this broker, through a leased line, your order gets passed to the exchange. Now you have entered this trade. Now there is a connectivity issue in this leased line. Now when you are planning to exit the trade, your order will not pass through from your broker to the exchange because of this connectivity issue. Now what happens when the issue is resolved? At that time, the order which you have punched will get automatically passed through, and then it will be placed. Now let's say you have entered a trade at 9:30. Now at 10:30 you have placed the exit trade. But what happened due to this connectivity issue? Your order did not get passed. Now once the issue is resolved, let's say around 2:30. At 2:30 your order gets passed automatically because already at 10:30 you have punched your sell order. So now your order will be passed and your order will be placed at 2:30. So now let's say you are looking at your terminal at 2:30. You will be shocked that you will be feeling that I did not place this order because you placed at 10:30, and at 2:30 you are just staring at your terminal. So now you will feel, oh my god, this is a ghost trade. I did not place this order. So you will be feeling like that. Or maybe even you might have passed the sell order for 2-3 times. Since your connectivity issue is there with the broker and the exchange, without knowing you would have placed 2-3 trades. And once the issue is resolved, your order will be exited and a fresh sell order also will be executed. So this was the issue which arose with the Finvasia broker few months back. Now last week, the topmost stockbroker in our country, Zerodha, also faced a similar issue. Last Friday, what happened? All the Zerodha clients who were traded on BSE expiry, the orders got placed, but they are unable to exit because of this leased line connectivity issue between the broker and the exchange. Now, this issue was resolved only after market hours. So those who placed their orders during the market hours, they were incurring in loss as well as in profits. So most of the clients were lost a huge money, and in terms of lakhs. So they were shocked to see that after 3:30, when the connectivity issue was resolved between the stockbroker and the exchange, the order automatically got placed, and after 3:30 they were shocked to see that orders were placed at 4:30, 4:45, 5 p.m., 5:30, like that. So they started to scream in the social media telling that, oh my god, some ghost trades are happening and the broker is having some issue like that. And for this, Zerodha's CEO Nitin Kamath clearly posted in one of the social media telling that this is because of the leased connectivity issue between the broker and the exchange. Always there will be a backup leased line between the broker and the exchange, but this time the backup leased line was also in a trouble. So he was telling that there might be some configuration issue. We are not sure about this issue, whether it is from our end or whether it is from the BSE exchange end. So there was some configuration issue and we are looking into it on priority. And somehow after market hours they were able to resolve the issue, but still most of the clients have lost their money. Now a few months back when Finvasia broker faced this similar issue, they issued a refund for all the clients who lost the money because of this issue. But Zerodha, this time, they did not issue any refunds for their clients, which happened because of this issue. So most of the traders were disappointed because of this issue, because of this broker and the exchange. Now, what can we do as a retail trader? As a retail trader, we cannot do anything from our side until and unless we segregate our capital to three broker accounts. Now, most of the retail traders, they are thinking that one broker account is enough. But actually, that is not the truth. If you look at most of the experienced traders, they will be segregating their capital into three different broker accounts, and they will be using one account for investing, another account for swing trading, and another account for trading. And even I'm following that. So you also should realize that these errors cannot be avoided by the brokers as well as by the exchanges. Around 1 or 2 years back, even the world's biggest exchange, NSE, had this connectivity issue, and NSE was unable to accept the orders and unable to respond back, that too in peak market hours. So we don't know when this issue will arise with the broker or with the exchange. So we have to be prepared for everything. Just like a first aid kit which we have in our home, in our car and in our bike, we should be cautious all the time with regards to trading as well. We should have a backup trading account, and we should segregate our capital with 2-3 brokers. Let's say if a person is having 1 lakh capital in a single broker, and if there is a connectivity issue, and if he has lost this entire 1 lakh, just think about his situation. Now, in case if you have segregated your capital into two different broker account, 50,000 and 50,000, then there are higher chances at least the 50% of your trading capital is safe with another broker. Now, always it is advisable to have 2-3 broker accounts. I am personally using Fires for all my day trading activities. So if you have not yet opened an account with Fires, and if you are interested to open an account with Fires, then click on the link in the description below. Now in coming days, coming weeks and coming months, we don't know which broker will face such issue, and in fact we don't know even if the exchanges will have such kind of issues in connectivity. So as a responsible trader, we should be aware of it. So this is the right time to segregate your capital and open another secondary trading account if you have not yet opened it. I hope this information is useful for you. Thanks for watching. Let's meet in another video.